morning, garden friends. Today is, I don't know what it is.
Today we're gonna plant, right?
Today we're placing plants and planting. Phase 2 of the Berkeley residence. It's a really nice overcast day today. It's always nicer planting in overcast than in hot sun.
And what are we planting today?
We're planting the design that I've been working on.
Really?
Yeah.
Great. Are you gonna finish it today?
Oh yeah, we'll finish it today.
Yeah. That's great. And where are we at?
We're in Battleground, Washington.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
I have no intro, do I?
This is our intro.
It is?
Yeah, this will be our intro right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Here come the windmill palms.
Good morning, garden friends. Do that, just go. Good morning, garden friends. This is Holly Stickley of the White Pear. Today we're at the Berkeley.
You can do it way better than me.
What are we doing, Hall?
We are planting some massive pots.
Really?
They're called Mill Valley cast stone pots. Go ahead. In French linen.
In what? French linen?
French linen. The color.
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yeah. And now we're just trying to decide where we're going to put them. Drain rock, you probably went, what is drain rock? That's drain rock, right?
Here, go watch this, Rachel.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh.
There you go.
All right.
Where are we at now, Hall?
We gotta fill these massive cast stone pots.
Yeah.
256 pounds each.
Yeah.
Yep. Now we're gonna put the drain rock in, and now we're gonna get the organic Edna's Best potting soil in them. 18 bags.
Who's best?
Nine bags each to fill these massive pots. But we were gonna put some styrofoam peanuts, but we're not gonna do that anymore because these trees need room for their roots to grow. At least 3 feet down. So anyway, so now we're gonna fill it all with soil. No. I don't like styrofoam stuff anyway. Period. But sometimes you have to do what you have to do. But anyway, we're gonna fill the pot. This is Bellegarde tumbled Weston. Right, Brian?
What?
Bellegarde
Weston, yes. Weston, yes.
Weston. In black.
In black.
Noir.
Charcoal.
Charcoal. Anyway, I just love it. It's gorgeous. It goes with the existing patio. So this area here was all open. It looked just like that, all field grass. So we're just adding this little secret garden area here. We're gonna do boxwood all around to make a short hedge, and then Arctic sun, dogwood cornice around it. It's a double hedge. And in here we're gonna have roses, euphorbia. This is a beautiful rhododendron I just discovered. It's called Golden Gate. Anyway, look at that foliage. The foliage is beautiful. I love it because they're not so big. A lot of times rhododendrons, the leaf is huge. These are small. I barely recognize it as rhododendron. But look at the flower. Multicolored. Look on the tag. Multicolored pink and yellow. I think it's going to be gorgeous right here. Gorgeous. That's a new one I found. And this is my assistant Rachel.
You guys are too close for Corona.
Oh God! Oh my God! Corona! Shoot!